When two or more subjects in the singular are joined by or, nor, either, neither, nor, each, no one, someone, one, anybody, all these are considered to be singular. We will consider them as singular. So examples are each boy and each girl is liked by the principal. Now each boy is singular, each girl again a singular, so we have used is with it. Someone has done this mischief. Someone again it's singular, so we have used has. No girl nor boy was punished. Girl singular, boy singular here, so was is used. Either the cat or the dog has spoiled it. Now again it's singular here, so we have used has. Neither water or air is available on the moon. So with singular we will use singular verb here. Now, but when a noun of the subject joined by or nor is plural, the verb must be plural and the plural subject should be placed nearest to the verb. Now, here eggs is there, so it is nearest to the verb and it is plural, right? Neither milk nor eggs were. Now, eggs here is plural, so we have used were available there. Either the boy, now boy here is singular, or his parents. Now parents here it's nearest to the verb, right? Parents are plural, so we have used have done this. A collective noun takes a singular verb when a collection is thought of as one whole. Now here a crew was large. Now it is collective noun and we are talking about one whole, right? A committee has issued its report. Now we are talking about one committee and a crew, one crew. But in these two sentences, it's if individual members are thought of them, it takes plural. Now, if we are talking about the crew members, a crew were taken prisoners. Now, here we are talking about the crew members. So, plural will be used. A committee are divided in their opinion. Now, again, we are talking about the members of the committee. So, we have used plural. But if we are talking about one whole, then singular will be used. Now, some nouns which are plural in the form but are treated as singular. They are now news, the news, but it is singular. We will use is with news. The news is too good to be true. English is an interesting subject. Politics was the business of his life. So, with all these, we will use singular, right? The plural nouns in each case is a proper noun. It's a proper noun for some single subject or collective unit may have singular verb. For example, the United States of America. We are going to use has with it. It's singular. Has done good progress. The Arabian Nights, if we talk about any book, the Jungle Book, any book, the Arabian Night is still a great favorite. So, with these also, we will use singular. The most important thing which you have to keep it in your mind, with singular, we use s or es with the verb, and with plural, we don't use any s or es, right? For example, with es, if the noun it ends with s, double s, x, ch, sh, o, we add es to it. right? Gas, brass, fox, match, bush, mango. So we add es with it. And when it's singular, we simply write down s with the verb. So I think the concept is clear to you. Go through it